Before I discovered raw food, I love dessert, especially fruit tart and brownies. In this video, I am going to show you how to make raw vegan fruit tart with only 3 ingredients, without any nuts, seeds, or dry fruit. Let's get into it. The ingredients are mango, homemade vegan coconut yogurt, and sea moss. The equipment that you will need is the high-speed blender and a container mold. What is a sea moss? Sea moss is a sea vegetable and has many benefits. It is called the anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, antibacterial, and antiviral. It means that it prevents and relieves cold flu symptoms and stop the aging. It regrows hair, skin, and help the thyroid system. It is a total body rejuvenation. What does this taste like? It is crunchy with no flavor. Basically, it doesn't taste very good. But if you put it into fruit, it is delicious, nutritious dessert that you can eat any time of day. I am a reform eater, so I used to eat meat. Sea moss looks and tastes like tripe. If you eat Vietnamese Pho and you ask for tripe, it's this, similar like this. So don't eat tripe or Vietnamese Pho. I stopped that long time ago. Eat sea moss. Now I'm going to peel the mango and be right back. Raw dessert is so much better and easier than cooked dessert. In raw dessert, all you need to do is wash, cut, peel, put into a blender, a mold, and refrigerate. That's it. There's no cooking, no burning. There's 2 types of food in this world. The first one, cooked food, would kill you. The second food, raw, has lots of enzymes, nutrition, and it will rejuvenate and restore health, grow hair, and stop the aging. Now, I am going to put this into the blender, mix it up, and then refrigerate. That's it. Mango. Now I'm going to put the sea moss in here. Maybe not that much, maybe a lot. The fat. This is the fat of the homemade coconut yogurt. Spoon. Need to get a spoon. Hold on. So that's it. Turn it on. That's it. Very good. Perfectly thick enough. Very good. Right now it tastes a little sweet, a little sour from the yogurt, coconut yogurt, and the sea moss has no flavor whatsoever. But when you combine all 3 together, it is heaven. Perfect. So I'm going to put it into a mold, refrigerate it for an hour, and that's it. I'll be right back. In regular fruit tart or cheesecake, they use a dough at the base, or as a tart, the base and side. But for me and raw, they normally use nut seeds or dry fruit for the base and the side casing. Nowadays, since I found sea moss, I don't use it anymore. I do eat nut seeds and dry fruit in a power bar or a power bites. I will show that in my next video. So basically, when I eat fruit tart, I like to eat all my cream by itself. If I want to have a nut seeds, I will eat that in a power bar or my power bites. So the reason why I stopped putting the base is because I learned that sea moss has a form that if you refrigerate it, it will stand on its own form and don't need a base or casing around it anymore. So let me show you what it looks like, because I did eat. I put a spoon in there and I'll show you that the form is still there, and I know that it's still good and solid. See that? See the where I put my spoon in there? It still kept its form. So when I put into a form and refrigerate it and I take the case out, just like, and I don't need some kind of base or casing around it to show it as a dessert.
It feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh.
Here are the raw vegan fruit tart without any nuts, seeds, or dried fruit. Only 3 ingredients: mango, sea moss, and homemade coconut yogurt. I am going to refrigerate it for an hour and then it's ready to eat. These raw fruit tart has been in the freezer for about an hour. Now I'm going to open up and show you what it looks like.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started.
See, it stands up and it is a raw vegan fruit tart.
Get me out of now. To where we started at. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights. Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
There you go. Just like a cake. Before I end, I want to point out that in this dessert, there's no oil, sugar, or salt, or any cooking whatsoever. It has lots of nutrition and enzyme great for the body. Thank you for watching, and I will make more video showing to you that it is not difficult and quite easy to eat raw vegan at home. I hope you like and subscribed, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.
Just to find
Very good. Of course it's good. I made it. Eating raw dessert, you can eat it for dinner, breakfast, any time of day. Okay. I think I'm gonna chow down this one too.